Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download CS2 on your PC. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to the Steam website. So let's go ahead and head on to this website. So once you do that, what you have to do is click on login. If you don't have any account, you just have to click on login. And once you do that, what you can do is you scroll down and then click on create account. I'm sorry for that. And here what you have to do is enter your information, and once you do that, you just have to click on continue and open a Steam account. Once you open the Steam account, what you have to do is click on install Steam and select your operating system. So here this is our Windows, so just click on here and your Steam will be downloaded. And once you do that, let's head on to our Steam. Alright, so here you can see this is our Steam. So to download CS2, what you have to do is on the right hand side you can see the search button. Click over here and search for CS2, or you can just search for Counter-Strike 2, and this is our game over here. Let's go ahead and click here, and once you do that, you will see this Steam page. Now what you have to do is just click on a play game, since this is a free to play game. But if you want to buy the Prime status, you can just click on add to cart and then buy it for $15. But the base game is free. So then what you have to do is just click on play game, and once you do that, it will ask for you to download, and that's it. All you have to do is click on install, and then you'll be able to play Counter-Strike 2 on your PC. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.